How to disable autoplay videos in Safari on iPhone. Start by opening Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all Safari customizations are done. Scroll down until you find Safari, then tap on it. This section contains all Safari specific controls. Look for the setting labeled either autoplay or motion. This can be depends on your iOS version. On iOS 15 and above, tap motion. Inside the motion settings, toggle autoplay videos previews to off. This prevents most videos from autoplaying on websites you're visiting through Safari. If you want to reduce even more unnecessary animations, go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and turn on Reduced Motion. This makes your device feel smoother and less distracting overall. And that's it.